Dear students, today we are going to complete working with parallel and perpendicular lines part 2. At the end of this video, students will be able to recognize intersecting lines and perpendicular lines, draw perpendicular lines. You should prepare a pencil, a draft paper, a set square, your math practice book edition 2018-2019, your Enjoy Mathematics textbook edition 2016. At first, what are intersecting lines? Two lines are intersecting if they meet at one point. Given two straight lines M and D. When two or more straight lines that crosses each other in a plane, they are called intersecting lines. The intersecting lines share a common point, which is called a point of intersection. So, lines M and D are intersecting lines. Point B, this is point B, is called the point of intersection of the two lines D and M. Perpendicular lines. Let's see what are perpendicular lines. Two lines intersect and make right angle 90 degrees at their point of intersection are called perpendicular lines. So, let's see the figure. Two lines, straight line D and straight line T, intersect at one point A and form a right angle equal 90 degrees, then they are called perpendicular lines. Line T and line D are two perpendicular lines. Let's solve this activity that expresses how to draw perpendicular lines. Draw a line D. This is the first step. In order to draw two perpendicular lines, at first we should just draw a straight line. We name it D. Plot point H on line D. This is line D. Put the point H on line D. Draw a line S that is perpendicular to line D and passes through point H. To draw perpendicular line, we should use the set square. This is the set square. Move the set square on straight line D to reach point H in this way. Look. When it reaches point H, fix the set square on the straight line and at the point H and draw straight line S. Remove the set square. This is a right angle equal 90 degrees. In this way, we draw two perpendicular lines. Can we draw another line perpendicular to line D and passing through point H? Can we draw another perpendicular line passing through point H and perpendicular to D? Of course, no. Excellent. Complete. Through a point on a straight line, only what? One perpendicular could be drawn to that line. Another activity. Draw a line F that is perpendicular to line T and passes through point B. Given straight line T, point B outside line T. To draw perpendicular, we should use the set square. Move the set square in this way to reach point B. Draw line F. Then remove the set square. These are two perpendicular lines. Can we draw another line perpendicular to line T and passing through point B? Of course, no. Complete. Through a point outside a line, only one perpendicular could be drawn to that line. Activity 3. Draw a line Z that is perpendicular to line D and passes through point H. As we said before, in order to draw a perpendicular line, we should use the set square. Move the set square in this way at straight line D to reach point H. Draw perpendicular line Z. Remove the parentheses. These are two perpendicular lines that intersect at one point, forming 90 degrees. Solve exercise 1, page 15, and exercises 2, 3, page 16 from Math Practice Book. Summary: parallel and perpendicular lines. Vocabulary: straight line, line AB, line D. Semiline, semiline CD with origin C. Segment, segment MN. Collinear points, 3 points belong to the same straight line. Relative positions of two lines are intersecting line and perpendicular line. Thanks for watching.